How you going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to check for excessive blow-by. There's a couple of ways that you can check. The old-fashioned way is to start up your engine, take off your oil filler cap, let it go, and then obviously if this is moving around by the excess blow-by, then you know there is an issue. You can get yourself a hold of one of these digital manometers, and what you can do is you can check it in millibar. You can also check it PSI, kPa, Hg, millimeters H2O. What you can do as well is you can take the measurements when the engine is cold and also when the engine is hot. So usually you'll run the engine for a couple of minutes and then just check the average there, and then the same when it's hot. What I'm going to do now is just start up the car, and then we'll do it the old-fashioned way. We'll take off the oil filler cap and just see how excessive it moves around. Now please bear in mind that this is a high compression turbo diesel engine, so there is going to be blow-by rather than vacuum. If you do have excessive blow-by, it will be quite apparent because you will see smoke coming out as well as a lot of back pressure. It's already quite apparent that the back pressure is allowing the oil filler cap to float. All I'm going to do now is just set up the manometer and attach that to a filler cap tube, and then put the filler cap tube into the hole in the top of the engine. I'm getting roughly between 4.1 and 4.5 millibar. And then around about 0.06 psi. .41 kPa, 0.12 inches mercury, and then I have 3.19 to 3.38 millimeters mercury, 1.69 inches of water, and then back to millibar again. Now that I've tested that, what I'll do is I'll go back to the BMW handbook and see if I can find somewhere what the permissible allowable pressure is, back pressure is allowed from the outlet here, and then I'll decide whether or not I'll change the PCV valve, which is in here. On closer inspection, I did notice some oil residue round about the cap and the air breather system. So I'll probably end up changing this out just to be safe. So I hope this video has helped you in some way. And that's it, guys. Thanks very much for watching. Take care.